Ukulele lesson for beginners number 8, playing songs. Now the real reason that most people want to learn to play the ukulele is to learn how to play songs. Understanding the way that songs are made can be confusing because we're approaching it at its final and completed stage, and we're trying to analyze it usually from a point of little to no knowledge of music theory. Music theory is the explanation for why music sounds the way that it does. So when you hear a certain song and you're like, oh, I like that, you can analyze it and figure out why you like it. More than just like, oh, it reminds me of this time that I was hanging out with my friends and this song was playing. It's more like certain melodies and certain chords go together, and for some reason that's really pleasing to you. We can't get too in depth with music theory because it's a vast topic, but we can at least talk about chord progressions and how songs are made up of chord progressions. So a song can be analyzed and figured out by determining what the chords are to the song. Almost every single song has a chord progression, even if you don't hear a guitar or a ukulele strumming in the background. It's like the structure for how the song is created. A simple example for understanding chords and chord progressions is the song Over the Rainbow. We start on a C major and we do that 4 times. And then G major 4 times. And then F major 4 times. And then back to C major 4 strums. Those strums are called quarter notes, as we've talked in a previous lesson, and each measure has 4 strums or 4 quarter notes. If we were to do it with singing, it would sound like this. Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high. Now I realize that's a really basic version, and the version that does is a lot more complicated with the strumming pattern, but right now we're just trying to analyze chord progressions and how songs are made. Let's do another example, the song Riptide. A lot of people know that song, and it's like instantly recognizable on the ukulele. It sounds like this. It's a very simple song because all it is 1 measure of A minor, 1 measure of G, and then 2 measures of C. The thing that makes it confusing is the strumming pattern, but it's still only 4 measures. So here's the strumming pattern. Down, down, up, that's A minor. And then you switch to a G. Down, down, up, and then C. Down, down, up, and then you just do another measure of C. Down, down, up. So it's 1 measure per chord, and on each measure you do that strumming pattern down, down, up. Here's a fun little way that you can make up your own songs. It's very simple. You choose a strumming pattern and then you choose 4 chords. Let's say we'll do A minor, G, F, C. A minor, G, F, C. And what we'll do is this strumming pattern. Down, down, up, down. So we'll go A minor, down, down, up, down. G, down, down, up, down. F, down, down, up, down. C, down, down, up, down. This is how many songwriters start writing their songs. Instead of writing lyrics and the melody first, they'll write a cool chord progression, and then they'll write the melody and the lyrics over that progression. Here's the interesting thing, is that this might sound like another song you've heard before, and it probably is another song, but you cannot copyright chords. So if you write a chord progression or some chords that work together, and it sounds like something else, it doesn't matter because you can't copyright it, so you won't be stealing their song.